Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the new 2025 Seasons Greetings, and this is the calendar set. So let's just get right into it. Let's just start with this calendar first. So it's the day off version, or not the version, but that's their theme this year. Let me open this. Okay. So I was actually expecting the thing to be bigger, but this is still pretty big. So it comes in a tube. And a bag. I don't know if this is I don't know if I'd ever be able to get it back in here. Is my thing, but I'll do it for you guys. And I will risk getting it potentially not able to go back in this bag, but I will do it for you guys. Okay, so here is the calendar. I'm not sure if you can fully see. Okay, I think you can though. Let me move this to the floor or put it in the box. Okay, so let me stand up for it. So it does say, okay, so it says 2025 Seasons Greeting 001, so January through 365 days, 17th vacation day off. So, yes. I don't know what these numbers actually stand for, but if you guys know, you can let me know. Okay, let's get started. Oh, it says here on the bottom though, it says 1 year, 12 months, 52 weeks, 365 days, 8,760 hours, 525,600 minutes, carrot day, February 14th, 2016, debut day, May 26th, 2015. This is how the members of 17 like to spend their day off, writing lyrics, strolling around the city, going for a drive, playing console games, getting my picture taken, painting, visiting art galleries, taking care of my plants, taking bus trips, gazing at the sky, watching TV, going grocery shopping, traveling, enjoying the day off with them. And then it has all of their names on here. So let's start with a Scoops. Ooh, looks good. And then it starts off with January, 5 weeks, 31 days. Oh, okay, so it's mainly just pictures of them. And the month is like on the side. So it says like right here. Oh, that looks so good. So this was right before he left because he still had his blonde hair. Oh, here's Joshua. Cute. Sorry about the glare. So that's March. This is April. Cute. Here's Hoshi for May. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Let's see if, since Mingy's right here. Oh, okay, so it doesn't say any of their birthdays on here. But that's okay. It's just like a normal, like, month calendar. Oops. Here's Wanu for June. Skip someone? No. Okay, here's, whoops, sorry about the noise. Here's Woozy for July. Cute. He looks so good. And then a Minghao for August. Wow, he looks so good with the plant. Okay, and then, wow. Thank you. September, September is my birthday month. And to have my bias on my birthday month, that is so special. But anyways, here's Mingyu. This is a really good close-up picture of him. Sorry about the glare. DK for October. Cute. Seungwan. Oops, sorry about the noise, for November. and Vernon for December. Wow, this is a good picture of Vernon too. And Dino for January. Wow, they all looked so good. I actually never really use a calendar like this, but I might actually use this. It's not that big, which I like, and it's mainly for if you like more of the member profile, then you could just put it on whoever your favorite bias is, wherever your biases are for that month. But if you want, you can use it as a normal calendar as well. So that is the calendar for this next coming up year. And then here is the sorry, I just threw that on the floor. Here is the actual season's greetings now. I have not seen anyone unboxing this yet, and so I'm actually really excited. So I did end up getting, there's something here. Oh, it's a code for Rhythm Hive. I don't know if you're able to see that, but I will put that off to the side. Oh, I was not expecting that. I saw something like this underneath, and I was like, what is that? I guess it's Rhythm Hive. Okay. And then I did get the one where you will get the pre-order benefit, the extra pre-order benefit for getting it with the calendar. It is a little bit more expensive, but if you're wanting the pre-order benefit or the calendar to actually use, I would do that. Okay, so it comes with, I think, 12 pictures. Since I got the one with the calendar, it comes with 6 extra ones. Okay, here's Seungkwan and Hoshi. Oh, sorry. I got the names so mixed up really quick. I saw Blonde and then my brain went to Hoshi. Seungkwan and Chunghan. Oh, and then these are just normal pictures. Okay. Vernon and Dino. Oh, Josh is smiling, woozy. Rest of 96 line. Oh my. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Look at Mingyu's legs. His legs are out. He looks so good. Same with Mingyao. Oh, this one is actually so cute. DK and Scoop. Chunghan and Seungkwan again. And Vernon and Dino. Joshua Lucy. Other 96 line. Mingyu and Ming. And DK and Scoops. Oh, okay. And then this, what is this? 30 day, oh, it's a 30-day challenge. Oh, okay. So it's I was confused for a second because all I see was day offs, but it's basically something that you could create yourself and have a couple of days off. And I'm assuming these are in the members' handwriting, and then you have a goal for yourself, and then the start date and end date, and then the results of that. That's kind of cool to give yourself a challenge. And then there's another one here as well. So it comes with 2, and then let's see what this is. This is the other thing. Oh, okay. It's just a stand, so you could put one of their pictures in here. Okay, so that is the pre-order benefit. If you guys were wondering what those were, I love these pictures. I like how they added them to give off more of what's gonna be inside here. So let me just put this back so I don't pictures don't fall out, and then I'll put the Rhythm Hive thing in here as well. a key. Okay, let's get started with the actual season's greetings. I will cut this open really quick. Key. I'm excited. I saw previews of these on Twitter, or like just like of Mingyu's. I was only able to see his, but I also just like wasn't really trying to look for it. It just like kind of popped up, but it does look like there is something in here. I wonder if I could get it out without messing up anything. Okay, was able to. Oh, just says 17 day off. Oh, and it has all of their signatures, or not signatures, but like their writing version of day off, which is cute. They're all like different and unique in their own little ways. I'm gonna put that back in here if I can. Okay. And then it comes with a tie, so you untie it. But it says season's greetings on the side. Okay, are you guys ready? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So 17's vacation day off. I'm excited. What are these? I'm assuming these are the photo cards. Oh no. I have to tear them open. I really don't like doing that. I really don't like tearing stuff open, but it seems like I have to. I'm assuming these are the photo cards of them. And then there is something else. Okay, maybe this is not photo cards. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Okay, there's another set right here. Day off note. Okay, let's just do these two since they're on the top and we can go from there. Okay, let's do this one first because it's easier to open. Maybe these are the photo cards. Okay, these are the photo cards, and then they have messages on the back. Okay, here's Scoops. I don't know if this is the English translation, but it says, let's get plenty of rest today. And then here was his picture. Chongan, oh, he looks so cute, honey. Stay healthy and take care, honey. Okay, so there is English writing of what they say. English translation, sorry. Joshua with the car, that's so cute. Okay, it says, carrots, don't worry if you go a little slow. Cute. Basically saying take your own time. June. It's good work today, as always. Did you enjoy your day off? Oh, she says like kind of sideways. Let's see what it says. Rest well. Wanyu, with the paintbrush. Oh, is he painting on his time off? When you rest, make sure to really relax. Here's Woozy doing ahead. Cute. You worked hard today. Minghao with this plant. Cute. It says you did well today. All of their handwritings are so neat. Mingyu's. Let's see what he said. Oh, it's kind of long. Getting some good rest is hard too. Let's try to rest well. Cute, this little heart. DK, oh, cute. Oh, it's long too. Carrots, hee hee, think about me a lot when you're resting, okay? Toahe. Sungwan. On your day off, relax without worries. Eat whatever you want. Vernon, oh my, that's so cute. Oh, he's the one that likes to grocery shop. Rest well. And then Dino looks like he's like at the beach. Oh, so sorry about that, Dino. Says don't think about anything, just rest. You worked hard. Wow, these are really good sayings. I really like what each of them wrote. It's very encouraging, kind of. Okay, here is a full overview of, sorry, hit the camera, of all of them. Let's put it back. I wonder what the other one is. If this is photo cards, I guess I have to open it and find out. Put this one back. Okay, I really didn't want to tear this open, but I guess I have to. But it does sound like cards. Okay. Oh, it said 17, 2025 season's greetings on it. Okay, what are these? Oh. Okay, it starts from here. Oh, is it oh, it's a handy calendar. So it's like a mini calendar. Okay, so this is day off. So it starts with December. Oh, Joshua's birthday. I was like, why is there a red dot on the 30th? It doesn't say anything on the back though. Okay, I'll just do this quickly. So it does, this one does have marked the birthdays. And more of the 17th, like, bigger events. So nothing in March. April, Mingy's birthday. May. Carrot, I think. Or debut. I honestly don't really know. I'm sorry. I know one's okay, I think it says here. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, okay. So the 26th is debut date, and then the 14th is Carrot. Right? Yes. Okay, sorry about that. June, July, August. Oops, skipped September. October, November, December, and there's more. Okay, in January. Okay, and then birthday says all of their names. Oh, it tells you. Okay, Sungwon Day is January 16th. Dino Day is February 11th. Carrot Day is the 14th. DK's birthday on the 18th, and Vernon's birthday, and then Mingyi's birthday in April. May 26th is 17 Day. June 10th is June Day. That's kind of cute. They both say June. Hoshi Day is the 15th. Wanya Day is July. And then Scoops' birthday August 8th. Chang'an's October 4th. Minghao Day on the 7th of November. November 22nd, Woozy Day, and December 30th, Joshua Day. Okay, so that is what this little card holder, like what's in this little box, if you guys were wondering. I actually really liked that. I enjoyed that. That's so cute. Okay. Let's see what else is in our Season's Greetings. Okay, we have this day off note and our digital code. I'm not going to open this just because it's just the digital code. But if you guys are wondering, it looks like this like clothing tag, and then on the back is the QR code. I'm not sure what this is. I'm assuming the carrot. But yeah, that is what this is. And then, okay, let's see what this notes and the sticker pack are. And then we can do the rest. Let's do this first. So, okay, so day off note. So S-Scoops is writing lyrics. Chungans is strolling around the city. Joshua going for a drive. June playing console games. Can you see? Yes, you can. Hoshi getting my picture taken. Wanu paintings. Woozy visiting art galleries. Minghao taking care of plants. Oh, Mingy's was taking bus trips. I was not expecting that. DK gazing at the sky, Sungwon watching TV, Vernon going grocery shopping, and Dino's is traveling. Like a booklet. Okay, let's open this up. It's very long. Okay, is there anything in the back? Okay, there is. Okay, so it looks like there's questions for everyone, so let's work our way back and let's open it from S-Scoops Day first. 13 members, 39 questions for carrots. And then I think you could put your own name. Okay, S-Scoops questions. What passage from a book, article, or song lyric that you read this year has stuck out with you the most? Oh, okay, so I thought this was... I was confused. I thought this was them asking him a question, but instead it's him asking you a question. So he's asking you these questions. Okay, and then we're curious about how you remember the sentences that stick with you. And if you have ever written down a sentence that stuck with you, how did that process affect your thoughts or feelings? Okay, then we'll move to Chongans. Says, did you enjoy taking walks regularly? Do you prefer taking walks in the morning or the evening? And what was the most memorable walk you've had this year? What made that day special? And Joshua's questions, are there any spots where you'd like to go for a drive or scenery that you'd like to see? When you go for a drive, is there a specific item you always like to bring? If you had to pick 5 17 songs to listen to on a drive, what would they be? For June's questions, do you have a unique way of managing stress? What's the most enjoyable game you have ever played? When did you feel the most immersed while playing a game? And then Hoshi's questions, what kind of photos do you usually take? If you have any tips for taking photos, please share. Have you ever captured an unexpected moment while taking pictures? And then Wanu's questions. What is your favorite color, carrots? What color do you usually use the most? Why do you choose that color? And what feelings or stories do you wish to express through colors? And then Woozy's questions. Do you have any favorite works of art? Among artworks this year, which one would you like to share with your friends or family? And what memory or emotion came to mind when you admire artwork? And then Mingyao's questions. Is there any plant you particularly cared for? What new plant care tips or methods have you discovered while taking care of plants? And did you gain any inspiration or insight from the process of taking care of your plants? And then Mingy's questions. What is the most memorable scene you've seen from a bus? Do you have any episodes from a bus trip that you like to share? And what do you think is the special charm of bus travel? Okay, DK's questions. How often do you look at the sky in your daily life, and what do you usually think about? Which sky do you prefer? A clear blue sky, a sky full of fluffy clouds, or starry night sky? And do you dream of anything while looking at the sky? And then Seungkwan's questions. What genre of content do you enjoy most? What content has been the most memorable for you this year? And what content would you recommend watching? And then Vernon's questions. What was the most satisfying purchase you made this year? What is the most memorable impulse buy? And what is the most memorable gift you've received? Why was it special? And last but not least, Dino's questions. When you travel, are you the type to plan things ahead or let things happen spontaneously? What is the most memorable travel destination? And have you had any unforgettable experiences while traveling? So those are all of their questions. I actually found that really interesting. I also wonder what their responses are. So maybe they have responded to them in the video, but I'm not too sure. I guess I'll find out once I watch it. But I found that interesting. It makes you really question some stuff and think about, oh, I just realized that was out. And think about what you would say for those types of questions. And then there's a sticker pack. Oh, looks like in order for me to open it, I have to rip it off. Don't know if I want to rip it off. I guess I will for this sake. Maybe I could just do this. Sorry, give me 1 second. I was not being the very carefulest, so don't be like me, especially with a knife like this. It can hurt. I didn't cut myself or anything, but so. Here is the thing. I just took it off. Okay. Here we go. Here's S-Scoops. Here's Chungans. That's cute. Oh, the backs are just plain old, which I figured. So this, these pictures kind of resemble what they would do on their days off. And Dino's cute. I really liked it. You get to see their handwriting. You get to see what they chose for their little picture or their stickers. Found that interesting. Okay. Let's see what else there is. We're almost there. This is left. Oh, this is thick. And I'm assuming this is the photo book. Oops, I grabbed that really horribly. Okay, and then the photo book. And then we'll be done. Okay, let's just quickly go over what this is. I'm assuming it's a planner. Like they always do a planner. Very crinkly, I'm so sorry. This thing always makes so much noise. Okay. This is how it looks like, and then there's a string, I'm assuming to mark your place. How does this open? Okay. Oh, it was a bookmark. I did see that there was a bookmark, so this is the bookmark, which is kind of boring, but it's okay. Okay, so it has a full January through December yearly calendar. It's all going vertically, and then it does mark the birthdays and stuff like that. And then here's monthly, February, March, April. So it does also tell you the birthdays and the special days. sorry, I'm gonna go through this kind of quickly. I just skipped a couple, and then it does weekly. It says Monday through Sunday, so I guess you could like memo whatever month. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. It has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then memo. So you could write like all the stuff you need for that day. I was like confused. Okay, I'm gonna skip a bit. Unless this is the rest, which kind of is. Okay, and then you can like pick the month that you want. There's no like specific month. And then we go to the back where looked like it had some lines and pictures. So it starts with Scoops. Oh wow, that side profile of Chang'an, he looks so good. Josh was smiling. Hoshi, Wanyu, Lucy, Minhao, Mingyu, people like on bed, DK, Vernon, oh sorry, not Vernon, Sunglan, cute, Vernon, and Dino, cute. Okay, so that is that. It's like really thick. This is like a really thick cardboard it's on, which is interesting. It's like held like this. I find that interesting. But yes, that is the planner. We'll put it back in its thing a little later. It's very crinkly, so I'll do that later. And then here is the picture, the photo book. I will try to go through this quickly. There's the pictures of them from the postcards. Okay, guess we are starting with this. Oh my goodness, look at Mingyu's leg. Oh, Minghao, stargazing. Oh, I was like, what is this? His is taking care of plants, so it's starting with Minghao. In his like greenhouse. He looks so good in the sun. And Jesus taking bus trips at the bus stop. Cute. They met up at the bus stop. And then Vernon and Dino's. His is grocery shopping. I wonder what he like buys, or if he cooks, or if he just like gets snacks. Maybe I'm kind of curious. Cute. Dino's is traveling. Cute. He looks really good in this one. Oh, look, the Polaroids on the floor. These pictures of Vernon, he looks so good. So Dino. Oh, we skipped one. Chang'an and Sunglan strolling around the city. Sorry, I feel like I'm getting my names really mixed up today. I have no idea why. It's been a long couple of days, so maybe I'm just tired. But I'm so sorry about that. But Chang'an looks so good. And his blonde hair. And Sunglan's watching TV. the old-fashioned TV. Cute. The rings. Scoops and DK. Writing lyrics. I wonder when these pictures were taken. DK gazing at the sky. These ones are cute of them. They look so good. And then 96 line. Getting my picture taken. Oh, she looks good with this platinum blonde. I always loved this hair color on him. Ooh, he got his arms out. Wanu painting. Cute. Can't really see that one. And June playing video games, console games. He looks so good. Hope he's doing well in China right now. Oh, same with Chang'an in the military. I forgot to mention that. But I hope they're both safe and healthy. Joshua going for a drive. He looks so good in the racer jacket, leather jacket, little smile. And Woozy visiting art galleries. Oops, I'm so sorry. Cute. This was before he cut his hair. Yeah, I really want this picture of them. I wonder when these are taken, and then these are like the credits. Aww. Okay, that was Season's greetings. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me just pull out some stuff, I guess. This is usually how I create my picture. Let's pick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my Season's greetings. And I really enjoyed this. I honestly completely forgot about this, and then I saw like other groups posting theirs, and I was like, oh, like wonder when 17th will come out. But theirs is finally out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye guys. Oh, I'm so sorry I hit the camera. Okay, I'll be back soon. Bye guys.